Hey guys, it's Sandy. Welcome back to Cute Polish. Dip powder has been such a huge trend over the past year, so today we're going to be showing you how you can use dip powder to secure nail extensions.
Hi, it's April. Let's begin. First, we need to correctly prepare the nail by making it completely matte. You can do so by using a soft nail file for natural nails. Next, glue the acrylic tip onto the nail. Cut off excessive length and file the edge into the shape you want. I went with short and square. After that, apply the prep and let it dry for 30 seconds. Dip systems come with a special base coat and colored powder. Apply the base coat on the entire nail and then dip completely in the powder. Shake off the excess powder. Apply one more coat of base and dip into the powder once again. Again, remove unwanted powder. Next, we need to apply the activator so the base can cure faster. Let it dry for 3 minutes and file off the bumps if needed. Apply the activator once again and wipe off any extra powder with a cotton pad. The final step is to apply a top coat over the nail. Apply 2 coats of it and let each coat dry for 5 minutes. Apply some cuticle oil and your dip powder nails are done. Click these boxes to watch more awesome nail videos here on Cute Polish. Hit the circle to subscribe and click the circle to come check out my personal nail channel. Thank you for watching.